Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have XIAOMI 14T and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. First step is opening calendar application. In it we must tap on the day when we want to add our event. Maybe we can change view for a month and tap on 22. There is plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. In this part you can set as group about what is this event, maybe our calendar, events, house, family, work. In this part you can set when event starts and finish, in which time, and there we can set it will be all the event. Repeat of that if we need it, and we can make custom repeat. We can add this event to people calendar, make video conference when event starts, add location of that, notification, and you can add more than one and to make your custom. We can change color about notification to this event, which we see at description, attachment, and after you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save. And that's all. Thanks for watching, bye.